In this video, we will learn how to unpivot table using the pivot table. So let's start. This is an Excel sheet. I have here some data, units sold monthly basis. So here you can see here the product name and date mentioned in row and also mention the unit value. Okay, and now when you check this data, if I check the 70, then I check the first date here in above and check the product name in product column. This is a cross tabulation I checked here above and left hand side. So we need to this unpivot table data in pivot data, then we convert the pivot table. So let's start how it's done. First select the full data. First of all, I show here how we convert in pivot the product, then we need the date and then enter the value. Okay, and after that this is a table we want in pivot table. Okay, so let's start how it's done. First select your full data. Okay, then press Alt DP. I'm using here the old pivot table wizard. Then select here multiple, then next, then I will create the page, then next, then select here range. Okay, add, then click on the next, new, and click on the finish. That's it. You can see here the data is pivot data is convert unpivot data is converted in pivot data. So here you can see as same data here converted, but when you click on this total amount, you can see here the grand total, and you can see here the grand total is not available here. The grand total, when you click on this 4800, when you click on this total amount, you can see here the unpivot table data is converting pivot data, and after that is converting pivot table as I want. Here this is a product, our product AB. Okay, then this is a date and this is a value. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.